Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing everything precisely. This saves time later. Measure the leather and paper stack so the spine fits snugly, and mark 3 to 5 sewing stations evenly. Once done, fold each signature carefully, press the crease, and nest them together in order. Make pilot holes with an awl through each folded signature at the marked points. This guides the needle cleanly. Use binder clips to hold the nested signatures in the leather cover while you move to sewing. You now sew each signature using a saddle stitch technique. This balances strength and flexibility. Thread a long length of wax thread, about 4 times the spine height, and start at the center station, exiting slightly to create a locking stitch. Make consistent loops through each hole, alternating directions so signatures interlink and create a strong spine. Keep your tension even, pull the thread snug but not tight, because over-tightening puckers pages. Once all signatures are sewn, tie a reliable knot at the final station and trim excess, leaving tails to embed in glue. You finish by glazing the spine with PVA glue, working it into each fold so glue reaches the stitch channels. This locks threads and adds durability. Once tacky, press signatures into the leather cover and add in papers to hide stitches. Clamp or weight the book until fully dry, then trim any uneven foredges and burnish the leather edges for a clean look. If pages misalign or the spine feels loose, don't panic. You can reseam the affected signature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.